We'll guide you through how to leverage the ChatGPT trend effectively to maximize your productivity and creativity. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Make sure you're using the latest version, as new features are frequently added. Once you're there, log into your account or create a new one if you haven't yet. You can use your email or a linked social media account for quick setup. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the interface. The main chat window is where most of the interaction happens. Start by typing a prompt or question in the input box. A great way to leverage ChatGPT is to use specific and detailed prompts. Instead of asking vague questions, provide context and details to get more precise and useful responses. For example, if you're using ChatGPT for content creation, specify the topic, tone, and length you're aiming for. You can also leverage ChatGPT for brainstorming sessions by entering prompts like, "Generate ideas for a marketing campaign in the tech industry." This can help spark creativity and provide fresh perspectives. Another tip is to use ChatGPT for coding assistance. If you're stuck on a piece of code, paste it into the chat and ask for debugging help. The AI can offer suggestions and even point out errors. Remember to use the temperature and max token settings to control the creativity and length of responses. A higher temperature setting will result in more creative answers, while the max tokens control how long the response can be. Keep experimenting with different settings to find what works best for your needs. Additionally, make use of the API integration if you're a developer. This allows you to incorporate ChatGPT's capabilities into your applications, enhancing user interaction and providing real-time assistance. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.